Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to show you a review of some products that I have recently bought. As you can see, I have already done my base and my eyebrows. If you would like to see the routine of my eyebrows, please comment down below because it's a long one. That's why I did it before this makeup. So I'm going to show you the things that I have used. I have used for my base HD liquid coverage from Catrice. It's one of my favorite makeup foundation and it's a long-lasting one. But before applying it, I have applied these Clarins Balm. It's a beauty flash balm. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. I'm going to prime it with, let me check, I have here this primer, Inglot. I must say that Inglot is one of my favorite brands to use for makeup. This eye base, eye primer is very long lasting. I'm going to apply a bit of powder on top. Now, the thing I want to review with you is this Freedom System palette from Inglot. I have created this palette for myself with the colors that I wanted to have. I must say that the packaging, it's so beautiful. You have it here with some magnets on the corner. It is eco-friendly. Inside you have like 3 shades eyeshadows and 1 blush. Okay, I'm going to review these products today. So I'm going to start with the base. Let's see. I'm going to use this Sephora powder shadow. And I'm going to apply this champagne rosé color from Inglot. Don't worry about the names. I'm going to write all the names of all the products that I am going to use in this tutorial. I must say that I was expecting more pigment from this eyeshadow. I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Well, it's okay. It's not the best, but it's nice. Now on top I'm going to use this color from here. I have to be careful because just in case this one from the middle is like pink, and I'm going to apply it with another brush, this one. This one, it's a very nice color. Although, as the same with the other, I was expecting to be more pigmented. Now the other palette that I wanted to show you is this one from Fenty Beauty. I have shown you this Fenty Beauty palette in my streaming. I don't know if you have seen one of my streams, but one of these, this one I bought it in Sephora. I'm going to use this color from here, from the corner. these ones are really pigmented. On top I'm going to use this purple one to see the result. Let's see. I think I'm going to apply it. I'm going to apply the same one under my eyes here. But with the same brush, this one, which is a smudge one. I don't think this one should be used to smudge. Okay, good. Now I'm going to take again this palette from Inglot, and here you have like 3 shades, can you see? And I'm going to use this precision brush, the one from the middle. Just a little bit on the corners. Now I'm going to take this pencil brush, and I'm going to take from the same palette, the strongest color. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline and I'm going to do the twirling technique. Oh my god. I need to buy another one. This one is the best, in my opinion. It's the best, literally. Now I'm going to take this Farbelic Glam Team eyeliner in shade brown. I do like the lipsticks of this brand. They are very hydrating. Never mind, I'm going to use the mascara, and today I'm going to use this one. Let me check. From Tilbury. It's called Pillow Talk Pushup Lashes. I didn't do any review of it, but I would like to see how it goes. I have to show you the brush. This is the brush. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the brush? Guys, if you want to see more of these reviews, please subscribe to my channel, because I'm planning to do a new category of videos, and the ones I am reviewing all the products I am buying. As well, I have like other reviews of foundations. You can find them in the link down below in my description box. For example, the foundation one that I have used today, and you want to see the routine, how I apply it, you can find it. And of course, if you like, please subscribe to my channel. for more videos. I knew it. I knew that I'm going to do it. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let the mascara dry, because we are going to remove it with a spoolie brush. Okay, more or less. Now I'm going to keep on going with the face. I'm going to use a new product, and it's this one from Tarte. It is the Harmony Amazonian Clay Blush, 12-hour blush. And I'm going to use this brush. Well, I don't like it too much. I think I prefer the one from Inglot, this one, which is a very nice color. It's a beautiful color, and I'm going to apply it. Tarte, I'm sorry, but the one from Inglot, it's better than yours. It's stronger. What do you think, guys? Do you prefer the one from Inglot or the other one? I should say that the Tarte one is very nice color. Can you see it? But in my case, I prefer the Inglot one. I do. Okay, good. Now I'm going to show you this Cindy Lou Luminizer. It's a highlighter. It's old, but I wanted to use it today, so I'm going to use it with you today. I'm going to take this brush and oh my god, this is like a blush. I could use it like a blush. Yes, I do. I don't know if I like it. I don't remember. But I wanted to review with you this one, Sleek highlighting palette. It's called Solstice. It's an 032 and it has got these colors, these gorgeous colors, and I'm going to use firstly this one. Ooh, this is so strong. I don't know if I like it. It's supposed that you have to use on top the other one. Ooh, this is so strong. Guys, this is a highlighter, but when you go to a festival and you want them see your highlight from the helicopter. Because you are going to shine like crazy. My god, I'm going to use all the colors right now. My god, this is so strong. I don't know if you can appreciate it, but it's really strong. Okay, now I'm going to clean all this mess from here. Okay, now I'm going to bronze a little bit, and I'm going to use this bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. It's my old one, Film Star Bronze and Glow. Only a bit. And a bit of the highlighter. I want to to use it here on the bridge of my nose. Okay, good. And of course, guys, the lips. I'm going to do the lips. So what do you think? What color should I use with these purple eyes? I'm going to use something nude. Okay, I have to say that for me it's like a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Can you see it? And I wanted to ask you a question, guys. Do you like to overline your lips? I do like overline them, but not exaggerating. I'm going to take now another lip liner, which is this one from MAC Lip Pencil. The color is Oak. Okay, now a bit of spray. I'm using this one from Clarins. It's called Fix Makeup. And I think that's all for today. Just in case you would like to use a lip gloss on top, you can use or something that it's shiny. I'm using this Farbelic lip balm. And yes, I think this is the final result. I wanted to use individual lashes, but I think I don't need to, because these this mascara, it's a good one, I should say. As I already told you, I would like to review these products, and I will come back with you in about maybe 5 hours or something like that. So guys, after 3 hours of wearing this makeup and wearing a mask, I think it's quite nice. Can you see? And here I have my nieces with me. Say hello, hello. Maria, come. Say hello, hello. And yes, I think this makeup is lasting a lot. And look at the mascara. The mascara is quite perfect. It didn't smudge anything. So yes, thumbs up for this mascara. And say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye bye. That's the final result. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Goodbye guys. Goodbye.